Hi, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So in this video we are going to cover Nifty 50 prediction for second week of November 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So as a disclaimer, trading and investments in stock markets are subject to market risks, and I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So please consult with your financial advisor before doing any investments or trading. And all the contents in this channel and video are just for educational and information purpose only, not as a recommendation or an advice. And all the comments in this particular YouTube channel should follow YouTube community guidelines, and all the comments are just a personal view of the viewers, not a recommendation or an advice. So these are the contents we are going to discuss in this particular video. First we will see like what our algorithm predicted for our last week, like first week of November. Then we will see like what is the actual trend of Nifty 50 in last week of November, and then we will see like how much error was there, and what is our machine learning algorithm going to predict on next week, like 8th to 12th of November 2021. And as we explained in our last video, like all these insights from this machine learning algorithm we will use just for an analysis purpose, and then we will do our manual analysis using candlesticks charts, open interest, and FIA and DA activities. And this is what our machine learning algorithm predicted for algorithm 1 predicted for last week, like first week of November. So algorithm predicted like there might be a reversal from last week levels to 18,100 and 200 and 400 levels, but actual was a consolidation for around 17,900 levels. So this error was due to like in past 1.5 year we have seen like when there was a correction, like 5% correction was there in stock market, there was a much better reversal was there. So algorithm memorized this one and predicted like this time as well there might be a reversal, but due to some high volume sell of FIA and DIA in last week of October, the Nifty lost its support in 18,000 and fell down to around 17,650 levels. And this is the data we have given into all the three algorithms. Like we have taken data from 2019 Jan 1st to 2021 11 3rd November, and using these particular input data we have predicted for next week. And this is what our algorithm 1 predicted for second week of November. It is predicting like Nifty might reverse much faster and may go to 18,400 or 500 levels, but as a personally we are not thinking this much fast reversal might not happen within just 1 week. So we are thinking like it might be like around the consolidation either 18,000 or it may rally till 18,400 or just below 500. So these values we will keep as a reference, and next week we will do an analysis again. And this is what our algorithm 2 has predicted for November first week. So algorithm predicted like there might be a consolidation around 18,100, and there might be a further drop and around a consolidation around 18,100, but actually it is due to some high volume sell, Nifty fell down much lower, and there was a consolidation around 17,900. And this is what our algorithm 2 predicted for second week of November 2021. Algorithm predicted like there might be a further drop to 17,700 levels, and then there might be a reversal to for 18,400 or 500 levels. And we have to read this particular data as a trend. It may not be like exactly this date, and this may not be the exact close of Nifty 50. So as a trend we can algorithm is predicting like there might be a drop, and there might be a much faster reversal in upcoming weeks. And this is what our compact algorithm has predicted. We have given data till 22nd October last week, and algorithm has predicted like there might be a drop around on October last week, there might be a drop from 18,500 to 17,700 levels, and first week of November it might be reached 18,100, and again it might be a drop to 17,700 and consolidation around 18,100, and after that algorithm is predicting like there might be a rally to 18,300 or 500, and by end of December algorithm is predicting like Nifty might touch 20,000, and this is what exactly happened. And this is what algorithm predicted last week, like from 18,500 level there might be a drop, and there might be a reversal, and by December Nifty might touch 20k. That is what algorithm is predicting, and this is not a recommendation, it's just an insight what algorithm is predicted. And this is and using the same data like 2019 Jan to our 3rd November 2021, we have given two algorithm, fourth combo algorithm, and try to predict the Nifty values for next week. So here as well algorithm, combo algorithm also predicting like there might be a faster reversal to 18,500 to 700 levels, and these are the value what algorithm is predicted for next week, but we are not expecting this much faster reversal. What we are expecting is like a consolidation around 18,000, and there might be a rally to 18,400 or 500 max. And so earlier we have seen like as we give data till 22nd of October, our algorithm prediction was much smoother, but due to some high volume of activities happened in last week of October and November, this time algorithm is predicting like there might be a higher fluctuation might be happen in market, and there might be a much rally and another correction. So we are not thinking like this particular data might not be that much proper for a prediction. So we think like data till 22nd October is much better. And as we have shown last week, Nifty is getting a support around 21st moving average, and if that broken, it is coming down to 50 moving average. So we are thinking like this week Nifty might move ahead, and it may move to 18,300 to 50 or 400 levels by this second week of November. And this is what algorithm predicted using the data till 22nd October. We have seen there might be a drop, and there might be a drop to 17,700, and consolidation to this one 100, and after that Nifty might cross its resistance in 18,500, and there might be a very good rally. And this is what we have seen the last week, like as Nifty is getting support either 21 moving average, or if a 21 moving average is support is broken, it is getting a support in 50 moving average. So here as well we have seen there is a support in 21 moving average, and here also a small support was there, and as it broken, it is trying to get a support in 50 moving average. So this week also, like as we said last week, Nifty got a support around 50 moving average, like 17,700 levels, and Nifty is trying to move upward. So we are expecting the same. Nifty might get a support around this 50 moving average, and will move up this week and upcoming week. And using the RSI as well, we can see like RSI 40 is acting as a buy region for Nifty. So here currently RSI is around 48, so we are expecting this might be a buy for Nifty as well this time as well. And this is the data we have get from offshore, like open interest data. So this week we can see like the call sell volume is higher than the put sell volume. So we are expecting a resistance around 18,250 to 500 levels, since call option sell is much higher than put option sell. But this is the data which for the last week. So last week we can see like the call option sell is much higher than the put option sell, so resistance is much higher, but this time it is much better. Call option sell has increased, so this is also a positive sign, like Nifty may get a higher levels and it may get into 18,400 or 250 to 400 levels by this week. And this is our FIA and DA activities which happened in last week of November and first week of November and last week of October. So last week of October we have seen like there is a very high volume sell has happened, like around 20,000 crore sell was happened by FIA and DIA because of this high volume sell compared to previous days. The Nifty lost its 18,000 support and fell down to 17,600 levels. But this week we can see like there is a buy is happened, so that is a positive symbol, and the sell on this 3rd November is much smaller than what happened last week. And this is like a monthly sell graph. So here also we can see like what sell happened in previous month, like March, April to till October. As Nifty touched 18,500 mark, the sell was very high, and due to very high profit booking compared to previous month's buy, that is the main reason Nifty lost its support and fell down. And this time, since this is just 3 sessions only was the data is not much, but we are expecting Nifty may move up. And these are our future plans. So every week we are trying to update this Nifty 50 prediction, like last week what we have predicted, and this week what will be the trend. Using machine learning we are trying to do that one. And we have seen like our machine learning trend, it was predicting using our data till October and November 2021. So what we are planning to do is like we will backtest this algorithm with normal and extreme scenarios like COVID-19 lockdown, etc. And other than Nifty 50, we are planning for individual stock predictions as well. And currently this algorithm is taking only price action, price as a parameter, but there are many other values are there which affect the stock price, as we explained in the last week. So these parameters as well we are trying to add into the algorithm, and we are trying to do the analysis of other industry, commodity and FX, and other technical indicators also we are planning to do analysis using machine learning, and news and sentimental analysis also we are trying to do with machine learning. And then we are planning to have some financial dashboards and portfolio optimization techniques. So please do subscribe our channel, and keep a bell button enabled so that you may not miss any future updates in this channel. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So we will see on next week like what our algorithm predicted and what is the exact Nifty 50 values, and we will come up with more videos using machine learning. So please do share, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please write in comments. So if possible, we will reply. So thank you. Have a great day. Happy Diwali. Take care. Bye bye.